how do you buy a house with a credit card?
So when you think of a credit card, so many times people think of bad debt. They just think of a problem. They don't think of advancing their business. They don't think of a return on investment. But a credit card is a wonderful tool that could be used in some parts of the country where you could actually buy a full house with a credit card. We have clients that have credit cards that are 100, 150,000 just on one card alone. But through the card stacking process, you're building, hundreds of thousands of dollars. But using a credit card with a service, like for example, one of the services that we're affiliated with is called Plastic. And it's the word plastic, but it ends with a Q. Some people call it plastique. But I'm not French, so I just call it Plastic. But so if you go on that website, you'll see that you can add credit cards into your portal. So you create an account with them, which is free. Then you can add your credit cards in. Then you can upload a statement or a invoice from any vendor. Now, let's say that these vendors don't accept credit card, because if they did accept credit card, you would just go and swipe it with them. But in the case that they don't accept credit card, you create an account at Plastic. You upload the different credit cards that you want to use. You upload for example, like the closing statement. If you want to fund an escrow account, then you decide, do I want to wire? Do I want to ACH? Or do I want to send a check? Then once you've made your decision, and the most expensive one is sending a wire. That's at like 2.9%, which, by the way, on these credit cards, you get up to 3% cash back. So it's just a wash, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah. So they then send the wire to title, it deposits into the escrow account, and it's pulled directly off the credit cards. Now, something I want to throw in here real quick is that there's a lot of companies out there that do what we do. I'd like to say copy what we do. And because we've been doing this for 19 years. They talk about liquidating credit cards or pulling the cash off the credit card. That right there is completely violating Visa, MasterCard, American Express rules. It always amazes me when I see companies out there talking about that and using that type of verbiage and language, because the truth of the matter is the only way to get cash off a credit card without violating Visa, MasterCard, American Express rules is a cash advance. And cash advances are horrible. They're at like, 25%? And most of the time you can't even do the full limit of the card. You can only do like 30% of the card or less. And so a cash advance is not an actual way to get money off the card. It's really important that you learn about these third-party services. And the only one that can fund real estate ventures, that can deposit money into an escrow account, for example, is Plastic. There's many of these companies out there, Bill.com, Melio Payments, Zill Money. Those ones will send a check or ACH or a wire to almost any company, but they won't do an escrow account. So if you want to buy a house with a credit card, you're going to first get access to a high limit card, and then you're going to use plastic.com. And then you can, it doesn't even have to be one card. You can put a spread of 10 cards in there and say, I want to pull 25,000 from this one, 15 from this one. And then you decide, check, ACH or wire.
That's so fire.
Fire, fire, fire.
That's so fire, baby. That's so fire.
Fire.
That's so fire. Ow.